everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am preparing my bananas for their overwintering stage. Now this is a hardy variety. I think it's Musa velutina, although there may be some confusion. It might be a hybrid. It's been reliably hardy for me for 10 years. You'll note that these are planted way above grade, and that's a big part of being successful in overwintering tropicals in a very wet environment. They need to be mounded higher so that they don't rot through the winter. So this has been a great bed for these, and you'll see that I'm not cutting them all the way to the ground. I might end up doing that at some stage through the winter, but for right now, only the tips and foliage got burnt by frost. So basically, I'm just gonna cut them back to their stalks, clean them up a bit, and then I'm gonna mound ground leaves on them for extra insulation. This process is super easy, and I should have it done in like under 5 minutes. So stay with me to see my progress. Just like that, the bananas are ready for the winter season. Now, like I said, if we get really cold, like down much below 20, these stalks will probably die to the ground, and then they will melt and I can remove them. But until then, I'm just gonna leave them as they are. And you could actually leave them the way they were with the foliage and everything. I just can't stand for things to look that messy, which is why I go through and just clean up all the dead stuff, because this is the backdrop of my fire pit area and I want it to look interesting and dynamic. So we sit here a lot during the winter season as we enjoy the fires. Well, if you found this video to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady channel for more tried and true gardening advice. Thanks for watching, everybody.